Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can download and install APK files in your iPhone or iOS of any model. So for that, just first of all go to your iPhone settings, click on this general option. Now scroll down and here click on this background app refresh and just turn it on both Wi-Fi and mobile data. When you turn it on, now go to Safari browser and just search for Rocket Mod website. When you search for Rocket Mod, just open it and you have to download an app in order to run APK file in your iOS. So in search, just write for IAPK and here just open this IAPK app and just download and install this app. When you download and install this app, it will give you a video showing complete details how you can use this IAPK file and how you can download and install APK files in your iOS of any model. Thank you for watching.